Hello traders, in this video I want to show you how to trade support and resistance area using the moving average. How to trade support and resistance area using the moving average. Okay, so what I mean by using the moving average is, you see these two moving average I'm using here. The settings is, this one here is 20 moving average and this one here is 70 moving average. So what I'm expecting is, once price close in between the two moving average, I expect the market to reverse. Now, one thing on one condition: if the market did not reverse, that means that the market want to create a momentum. Now check it out. You see that once price close in between this moving average, it reverse. Here also it reverse, but here it did not reverse because the sellers want to create a momentum. Once buyers enter, it reverse. You see it reverse. Here not reverse, here it should reverse, here also it reverse, but here it did not reverse because of sellers momentum. So I'm going to choose, if I can see any opportunity. So I'll take only 4 trades. Okay, now you see the bias now is coming to this level, this area of support here. You see it close, if it close between these two moving average. Oh, what happened? Oh shit, I think the time is against me. Oh, come on. I will enter the trade. I think it should go more down. So the reason why I place put option here, because I know market will still go down, because this candle close in between these two moving average, the 20 moving average and 70 moving average, which is an area of resistance, as the seller did not respect this level in the past. Now when buyers come to this level, so sellers must enter. So that is why I place put option. But I entered the trade late, but I know the market will still go down. That is why I took the trade. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Ah, okay, so here you see that the market did not reverse, and later they reverse, and again we see the buyer's entry. So I'll place my trade on the next candle, because I don't want to enter the wrong trade here, and I want to enter at the right opportunity at the right time, not for me to force myself to enter the trade. So I said I want to take only 4 trades. So I've taken one trade. I've taken one trade. So the remain 3 trades. Come on now. no opportunity, no opportunity, no opportunity yet. Still the bias is still inside this moving average. Okay, but I don't want to place my trade because I might be wrong. Because what I want to see is once price is outside, then again a movement, a buyer's movement or seller's movement toward the moving average, then close there with a rejection, then I'll enter the trade. Not this kind of setup, not this kind of movement here. Okay, so the buyers now is approaching. So if buyers close here with a rejection, then I'll go with sellers. So moving averages, market does not respect the lines you draw. Market does not respect the one moving average line. It respect areas. Okay. Okay. So this one now is very close to the moving average. So I'll go with sellers. The reason why I go with sellers here because it's very close to the moving average here. And Marubozu that is very close to is a support zone or resistance zone will reverse the market. Okay. Or Marubozu that close above a support zone or resistance zone will also reverse the market. Okay. So that means the market is going to be rejected from the support zone before it reverse. That is, the candle will rise up a little bit in the support, the resistance zone before it reverse. That is exactly what is going to happen here. That is why I place put option. Oh, I think a doji candlestick. The market did not reverse doji candlestick. I'll go with buyers. I go with buyers because no sign of sellers. So now I'll go with buyers because buyers will enter on the next candle. So no sign of sellers here to form a bearish candle because of this resistance zone. So buyers will enter on the next candle. Now let me say it again because I always repeat this anytime I'm busy with my student. Any lines you are drawing on your chart, market does not respect level. Don't say because the candle rejected from this line, the market reverse. Market reverse because of an area. Okay, so I don't always think that market will always reverse once they touch the line or something like that. So even though they touch the moving average line, market will not reverse. It is an area that the market will reverse. Area of support, area of resistance that make the price always to reverse the market. So these areas can also be an area of continuations. So it's not all the time the market will come to area of support or resistance that the market will reverse. Market can still continue from there. So just having problem with network. Can't even take a successful trade. Now we see the bias now is approaching. That will be Euro USD. Come on, come on, come on, come on. If I took this one trade out, this last trade, I will stop trading because I don't like trading when the network is giving me problem. It doesn't allow me to concentrate. So it did not reverse. It did not reach the level. Okay, now this one reached the level. So I'm going to place put option because it reached this level, got a rejection from sellers. It reached the resistance area, got a rejection from sellers. So that means sellers will now enter on the next candle. So if market did not reverse, that is a sign the buyers will continue to the upside because they want to form a momentum. Okay, so I think this will give me a winning trade. So not all the time market will reach the area and reverse. That's why I said market is area of resistance or support are not meant to reverse the market only. That is where a new trend, a continuation of the previous trend can still continue. So not all the time market will reverse, market will reverse. I think I've taken four trade now. Okay, here, oh, I didn't remember to enter the trade here. So buyers will enter. You see, sellers come to this level with a rejection, so buyers will enter on the next candle and miss the opportunity. Okay, so this one, oh no, I want the candle to close between this area, these two EMA. So I will not take the trade. Okay, this one now, I'm going to place put. Oh shit, the market is very fast. I'm going to lodge this trade because of my entry. I want to enter the trade here, but you see the candle run down. So the reason why I go with buyers, why I go with sellers here is just like same thing that happened to Euro USD, a Marbozu. So this one also, a Marbozu also, exactly at the same point here. So sellers will enter. But I think I'm going to lodge the trade. If I lodge the trade, I'll place one more trade. Okay, ATM. Okay, so I'll place my trade after this candle. I got ATM here because of my entry. So one more trade, then I'll stop trading. Okay, this one now, I think this one also is trying to go up. And this one also, okay, so if it come down a little bit, if it come down to this level a little bit, then I'll enter the trade. Oh, this one crossed. Okay. Oh, no opportunity again. Okay, this one now close a little bit below. That's the sign the sellers will enter the game. Come on, I know the network is bad. I know the network is bad. This candle shouldn't close like this. So the candle is still running. I think my entry is not triggered yet, so I think there's no loss for that too. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I will wait if I see that the candle really closed there and my entry is triggered because the network now is very bad. Okay, see the market did not reverse. Okay, I think that was my luck. I think I don't know why the network is bad then. So I think that was my luck. Okay, so I'm going to place call option. You see the this candle open inside. What is happening again? Okay, good. You see this candle open inside these two horizontal, these two moving average. So that is a sign the buyers will enter the game. I really hate this when the network is giving someone problem, giving me problem, so I can't trade successfully. You see here, I escaped the network problem here. I don't know why the candle still closed here and buyers still entered. So I escaped the buyers problem, network problem here. So that was network problem. OTM. Why OTM again? ATM. Sorry, ATM, not OTM. This one I'm going to place call option. A Marubozu, very close. A Marubozu, very close to this support area. So I'm expecting buyers to enter. Okay, so I'm expecting buyers to enter, and this trade will be my last trade. So I have three OTM and four. I have three ITM. I have four ITM and three ATM. So I will stop now because I don't like trading when market is when network is bad. If network is bad, most of the time I do have losing trade because network doesn't allow me to concentrate on the trade I do. So I always feel bad placing trade during bad network. Okay. So right now I will explain the trade. I took eight trades, then three ATM and four high TM. I think I'll stop here. So the first trade I took here was because see this Marbozu, it closed inside this moving average as area of resistance. So that is why I placed put option. But I saw the candle already move down. So I know the market will still give me winning trade because sellers entered very strong. So that is why I placed put option. And this one I place call option because anytime, most of the time, I usually study this. Anytime a Marbozu is very close to a support area or resistance area, it always reverse the market. Not all the time it will reverse the market, still continue the market, but here I'm very sure that it's going to reverse the market. Either it will get rejection from this level then reverse, or it will only reverse the market immediately, or if a Marbosu close below these two moving average, it will still reverse the market. Most of the time, I usually experience that when I'm trading the Marbosu. Okay, so here I know that it's going to happen. That is why I place call. So not all the time the market will always reverse. Okay, so don't have that in mind. The market always reverse. So this one I place put option because this candle close in between these two moving average with a rejection from sellers. So that means this is an area of resistance. Okay, so we expect sellers to enter on the next candle. That is why I place put option. And here I place put option just the same thing that happened to USD Euro USD JPY without reaching the level the market reverse. So same thing that happened here Euro JPY without reaching the zone. I know the sellers will enter, but you see a doji candlestick ATM. I got ATM here. AUDCAD I got ATM because the reason why I go with buyers is because see this red candle, it closed above these two moving average, and next candle open below. That is in between this area of support here. That is a sign that market is going to enter the reverse. That is a sign the buyers will enter, and that is why I place call option. But I got ATM because of my entry. Then Hero JPY. I go with buyers here because no sign of sellers. Just the same thing that happened to USD JPY that reversed the market. Marbozu approaching the level reversed the market. So that is why I go with buyers. But here, this one, because no sign of sellers, I go with buyers again. Then Euro GBP, I still got ATM here because I entered the trade late. The buyer stopped here. You see this Marbozu again, hammer. He stopped here, no rejection. That is a sign sellers will enter. Just like what I said, if the candle close below the two moving average, the market will either reverse the market immediately or it will be rejected from this area before it reverse. And that's exactly what happened to this bearish candle. It was rejected from this area before it reverse. Okay, so same thing applied trading on horizontal lines. Okay, I think my next video will be trading on horizontal lines or trend line, anyone. So let me say this again. Anytime you are trading support and resistance, market does not respect the lines you are drawing on your chart. Don't say that if market come to this line, it will reverse. If market reverse from this line, that means there is an area here. If you draw second line or third line, there is an area. But if you are expecting market to reverse here, there is an area there. So don't say market will touch and reverse. So market level, support and resistance are not just a single line level. They are area of support. They are area of value, okay? Not a single line level. So I think I should stop here. Same thing apply to moving average. Moving average are not single line level. They are area of support. So the market that reverse here is because of area. So it also reverse here because of area. So it's not that they respect the areas. And one thing, if market did not reverse, once they come inside this area and market did not reverse, that is a sign the market is likely to form a momentum to the upside. If you expect the market to come in between these two moving average and reverse, but market did not reverse, you will see that the momentum will form next. And again, another thing that usually happen is if market just come to this, if the price come to this moving average, and maybe let's say it reverse the market for 1 minute, by the time sellers enter, sellers is still inside this level. More one thing, two things that the market will do is either the sellers will enter the game or buyers will enter. If buyers enter, that means the market will continue to the upside. That doesn't mean that seller will enter the game. So but if sellers enter, once they cross this last line, last moving average, it will also reverse the market. So I think I will not explain more than this. Okay, I think this is the video I was planning to share with you guys, but I think this should be helpful to you. So okay, see there is no rejection but exhaustion candle, then the market reverse. Okay, it's just the same rules you are trading support and resistance, like using the horizontal line or using the trend line, using the trend line. That one price come to this trend line, the market will reverse. Once price come to this line, the market will reverse. So good luck, guys. Have a nice day. Practice more effectively. This will help you to increase your success or to help you improve your trading career. Okay, so I think I'm done with this. So if you have anything, any other video that you want me to explain more or you want me to say more about it, just let me know. Just let me know. So I have the WhatsApp group, Telegram group. Just let me know. I think uh, stop now. So goodbye. Have a nice day.